Hi folks, today I'm bringing you another car radio panel. This is a panel from a Denver brand radio, model CAD471. We could not find the electrical schematics, so we had to identify the pins on the connector with a multimeter to be able to control the driver. The driver for the LCD is a PT6523. We have talked about it several times, but it is always enriching to add another panel to the collection, as it can serve as a basis for the various Denver models. The keyboards use the keys connected to the GND with the resistors of the different values on each key. So we need to use the analog ports if we want to read the keyboard buzz. As this topic has covered again in depth in the last video, in this video we will discuss the quadrature knob, giving it a practical use, although we have also done so in the other videos in the past. This quadrature button has a resistance of the 39 kilo ohms per phase marked on the silk screen as a R24 and R41. Therefore, a 220 kilo ohms resistor was applied to the VCC in each phase because the center pin is connected to the GND. And this way allow for oscilloscope capture showing the transition in the both phases. For more optimized use, the resistor on each phase pin present in the panel can be replaced with a lower value, such 6.8 kilo ohms, but it should be noted that a quadrature button cannot withstand high current flow as it degrades easily. Some have internal tracks made of resistive carbon, which give to us an idea of their fragility. To proceed with the test of the quadrature button, I implement one trigger to one phase of the button, and when I turn the button to the left, we see the arrow in the left side. When I turn to right, we see the right arrow in display. To proceed with the ID of the segments, if we uncomment the line of the search of the segments in the code, will be present in the serial monitor to the message with the block number and the segment number of the LCD. To skip from one segment to another, we press the button connected to the pin number 2 of the Arduino, where we implement the trigger event, and every time we press the button, we will see the segments skip from one to another, okay? This is the segment F, segment E, and so on. This helps to trace a map of the segments in the LCD. Because all the segments of the digit belongs always to blocks or 2 bytes, the message need always be designed complete.